Hey, good morning. Thank you for starting your day with us. Look, if you have a legal question you would like for me to answer on our show, please feel free to call me, 770-934-8000, or you can email me, Gary@GaryMartinHayes.com. The call is completely confidential. The consultation is free of charge, and there is no obligation whatsoever. Now, in this segment of our show, I'd like to talk to you about a very important legal topic. And this area of the law is one that I receive so many calls from people not knowing what to do or where to turn. Today, I'd like for us to talk about tractor-trailer wrecks. But let me start off by saying the men and women that are out there driving tractor-trailers on our roads, they are extremely important to our economy. Most are very conscientious professionals. They're careful about how they drive when they get behind the wheel, and they make sure that the tractors they are operating and the trailers that they are pulling are in the safest condition. But unfortunately, not all of them perform that way all of the time. Some people refer to tractor trailers as 40 tons of death on wheels, and for good reason. As large as these trucks are, even a relatively low-impact collision can often lead to serious injuries or even death. A typical fully loaded large commercial truck can weigh over 80,000 pounds, while the average passenger automobile only 3,000 pounds. Wrecks with these tractor trailers often result in very serious injury or death, and there are several reasons why. One, the sheer size of these vehicles. When they are fully loaded, the tractor trailer can weigh up to 80,000 pounds. This weight is 16 times what the typical passenger car weighs. Two, tractor trailers have a very poor braking ability. Because of its weight and size, the average tractor trailer traveling at 60 miles per hour needs approximately 350 feet to come to a stop. Three, they have limited maneuverability. Because of its size and weight, truck drivers have a hard time avoiding accidents, debris, or other objects in the road. They need more time and space to maneuver than the typical passenger car. Four, dangerous load. Some of the tractor trailers on our highways are carrying dangerous cargo such as flammable, explosive, or otherwise hazardous chemicals or liquids. Even a minor collision can result in a catastrophic event. Now, let me give you some more stats about tractor-trailer wrecks. Every 16 minutes in the United States, a person is injured or killed in a tractor-trailer accident. There are over 400,000 accidents involving tractor-trailers each year right here in the U.S. Approximately 3,700 people that are passengers in vehicles are killed each year in collisions with tractor-trailers. Well, what about Georgia? Each year in Georgia, we average 200 fatal truck accidents, and there are over 5,000 non-fatal truck wrecks each year in our state. Half of the tractor-trailer wrecks here in Georgia involved out-of-state trucking companies. Now, let's look at some of the causes of these wrecks, because this is very important. 22% of the fatal crashes involving a tractor-trailer was caused by speeding. And 27% of all tractor-trailer drivers that are involved in a collision had at least one previous conviction for speeding. Driver fatigue. This is a huge area of concern that I've addressed on prior shows. Stats tell us that driver fatigue, where the truck driver was too tired to safely operate his or her tractor-trailer, contributed between 30 and 40% of truck accidents. When my law firm is hired to represent the family of a person killed in a wreck with a tractor-trailer or by someone seriously injured in the collision, we immediately want to get a copy of the truck driver's log. Now, this driver's log reflects when the truck driver starts his day, all stops along the way, and it certifies that he has inspected the tractor and the trailer. These logs can also be used as evidence that the driver was speeding between his last stop and where the wreck occurred, or that he suffered from driver fatigue because of the number of hours that he spent on the road. And these logs, they are not voluntary for tractor-trailer drivers. They have to have them. Federal law requires that truck drivers keep these logs of their hours. And how long are truck drivers required to keep their driver's logs? Well, federal regulations only require the truck driver to keep these logs for 6 months, unless an attorney takes action to secure them. So if you or a family member is involved in a tractor-trailer wreck, the single most important piece of advice I can give you is this: call a lawyer right away. Do not wait, do not delay, and if you don't call us, please call a lawyer that has experience experience handling tractor-trailer claims. It is a bad idea for you, for your family, to try and take on the trucking company, the trucking company's insurance company, and the trucking company and the insurance company's lawyers by yourself. So if you or a loved one has been injured because of a distracted driver, all you have to do is pick up the phone and give us a call. You can do it right now, 770-934-8000. Our legal professionals are standing by right now to speak with you regarding your claim. The consultation is always free, completely confidential. There is no obligation. And I encourage you, again, if you don't call us, please call someone, but someone that specializes in personal injury. You owe it to yourself, to your family. Give us a call, 770-934-8000.